Hi, my name is Ken. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about just a simple comparison between Facebook and Google Ads, Google AdWords, the dashboard, and Facebook dashboard. I'm not going to show you the dashboard because there will be another video for another day where I may go deep into Google, but I think I'll focus more on Facebook. So what happened is last Sunday I went to a training, a simple one-day Google Ads training, and oh my God, it's so difficult compared to Facebook. And apparently a lot of new things they have added because they want to be like Facebook, like all the audience targeting and things like that. Because last time I remember where AdWords is just keyword stuffing, keyword checking. You do keyword planner, then you bid through keywords and then you'll be charged by impression. But now apparently they are able to charge very deeply. I mean, they're able to target in deeply into your demographic, your interests and things like that, which is pretty good thing that's being done. However, I think Google Ads is still relatively expensive compared to Facebook, and that's why I still prefer to go Facebook. And Facebook, you can still be very targeted. So like example, Facebook got Facebook Pixel, Google got Google Tags. They are both same thing, tagging your website so that they can follow you wherever you go and can know your behavior and things like that, which I think is pretty cool. So both of them have this feature, both of them have a targeting feature. However, the price is different because for Facebook it's a cost per action usually. That means when people click only get charged. So I've run a test ad and there's impression but it's not being charged. But while Facebook is being charged by impression. However, for Facebook, funnily, Google supposedly have higher conversion. Not higher conversion because they are more intent. They look for the thing that they want to look in Google. So whatever that appear in front of them are more qualified and more on things that they want to see compared to Facebook. Facebook is when you browse and you see it. However, the cost per lead is still much cheaper in Facebook compared to Google. And there's many settings, and I'm not used to the dashboard as well because dashboard, if any of you have tried Facebook Google dashboard, feel free to comment down the section below and you can tell me the difference between Google dashboard and Facebook dashboard. One thing I want to tell you is the dashboard is very irritating because the dashboard, Facebook, you can see everything's very clearly from ad sets, the campaign level, access level, ad level. But Google is more like, uh, I'm not sure. They also have ad group and ads and then campaign also. They have three different level. But the thing is their level is not, it's not savable. For example, once you click to the ad group level, then you will not save whatever that's in campaign and things like that. So it's very messy. Not like Facebook is more, how to say, everything you're able to go back and check again. So it's pretty good. And that's why I still prefer Facebook. And also in terms of targeting, Facebook got more kind of targeting, more kind of audience compared to Google. The only difference is just that Facebook cannot target keywords while Google can. And Google target more intent, but Facebook target more on getting people's attention when they scroll. So a lot of Facebook ads are more focused on attention grabbing, so that when people see the pain point, oh, they relate to it, then they will just go to the ad and check it out. So the intent for Google is search based intent. That means people search for it and then they're interested, then they saw the ad and they saw that go in. So Google one, the intent is higher. That's why it is more expensive as well, more expensive and harder to execute. And the ad platform have very little words you can put on top of it only. There's headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, and then there's a body 1, body, I can't remember what's the name, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 2, sentence 1, sentence 2, I can't remember what's the name of it. But yeah, but it's only very short and then put straight away the link. Whereas Facebook, you can put a whole copy there with pictures and things like that. And that's the one of the major difference. That's what, because Facebook, as I mentioned, is to grab your attention, where else Google is used to show the relevant search to the people so that people will see summary and immediately on clicking. So you have to be very good in making your copy concise and able to be digested. So they no summary, they don't click on it. If not, it won't convert. And I have not really run Google Ads yet because Google Ads is relatively tough. The dashboard is hard to see. When the training was being done, in Facebook you can see it's very clear the colors and the placement of the things. But for Google, everything, the colors is like gray, dark gray. It's a lot of variation of grays. So when you look in the projector, even when I look at my PC, it's very hard for the eyes. So if I'm not sure whether there's an option to turn it to dark so that it's black and then it became white, just like in fact all my Google or my Gmail or my Yahoo Mail, or I change it into the dark theme so that it's black and it's white word so that it's easier for eye to see. Because a plain background with a gray, light gray, and then a bit of black, it is very straining for eyes, especially people like me that keep looking at the PC all the time. That's why Facebook is good, because the blue and the black is very clearly shown, and then it is well positioned inside the boxes, the columns, and everything, and it's all compact. Whereas Google, they try to make it as like a, it really look like, if you look at the Bootstrap programming, it looks very similar like that, where the words is a bit big and they try to, everything is big but it's not clear. So for me, interface, UI interface wise, I would prefer Facebook much more than Google. Not only because I have used Facebook longer than Google, but because I like the Facebook, the Google the old platform, where it's still using keywords and things like that, because it's cleaner, it's easier. When you see one eye, you get to see everything. Now you have to click, 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 and then you cannot go back, cannot save. The UX is also is pretty poor. So this is, I'm not talking about the ads, I'm talking about UI UX between these two campaigns, these two ad platform. I would prefer Facebook one over Google. Okay, so I recap what's the difference. The one of the main difference is the intention of people that look at the ads, which is the first. For Facebook is attention grabbing kind of ad, and for Google is more towards a higher intent, so the click is better. Second is the price. Because of all these lists better, the CPM is much lower compared to Facebook, and because of, and the click per action is much higher, and it's being charged by click per action, and Facebook is charged click view CPM, no, not CPM, it's charged by view, it's charged by impression, cost per impression, CPI. So that's why, in terms of cost, Facebook is cheaper compared to Google. The third and the last thing, which is a personal preference on terms of design, I find the UI UX, both the user interface and the user experience for Facebook is much better than Google, and I hope that Google will change it into a better platform next time, because they do everything together in YouTube as well there. Just like Facebook have Instagram also as well, but the using it is very confusing. There's, because the way you set up for Instagram ad is the same as you set up for Facebook ads, just the platform being shown is different, but for Google it's different, because YouTube is a much different platform, and so when you want to learn both, it's very difficult. So this is the three main difference that I think is between Facebook and Google. Let me repeat. The first is of course the intent of the user, second is the price, and third is the UI UX. So I hope you like what I share today, and if you like what I share, please like my video and please subscribe to my channel to support me in this journey of entrepreneurship. And I hope to see you all soon.